Wood is an important natural resource that has a significant impact on human life. It is used to produce a variety of products, from furniture such as chairs, tables, and cabinets, to large construction projects such as houses, bridges, ships, airplanes, and more. The use of recycled wood also helps to reduce waste and environmental pollution. That is why the wood production process requires precision to avoid waste. A large piece of wood will be cut into small wooden strips. Let's explore how it happens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before watching. The process of cutting massive red sandalwood logs in the wood workshop is a complex and careful process to ensure the quality and value of the product. Before cutting, the massive red sandalwood logs are carefully selected to ensure their strength, thickness, and roundness. The large logs will be cut into smaller pieces to prepare for the next cutting stage using machinery, especially a sharp and powerful sawing machine. Then, the wood is fed into a cutting machine to be cut into thin and even pieces. Watching the saw blade running on the chain system, we can see the speed of the operation. Each thin piece of wood will be moved to a different position. The large pieces of wood continue to be cut on an automatic sawing system. The process of cutting massive red sandalwood logs in the wood workshop is meticulous and requires careful attention to ensure that the product created has good quality and meets the market demand. The automated sawing system is an advanced technology device that is widely used in the wood processing industry. This system consists of several important components, each with a specific task to produce high-quality products. The main component of the automated sawing system is the sawing unit. This unit is equipped with sharp and powerful saw blades that can cut through different types of wood with varying thickness and hardness. In addition, the system also includes a feeding unit which accurately positions the wood for cutting. The automated sawing system also includes a positioning unit which helps to determine the cutting position of the wood and accurately feeds the wood into the sawing unit. The component can also be adjusted to meet different production requirements. With the flexible and fast control of the operator, pieces of wood with the same size are sequentially removed from the cutting system. These pieces of wood are then smoothed and polished to create larger pieces of wood for use in furniture production, which brings significant economic value. Diverse types, sizes, and qualities of wood can be easily processed with a modern industrial sawing system. With the experience and care of skilled workers, high-value wood products are widely used. In the wood processing industry, wood is used to manufacture products such as furniture, plywood, flooring, doors, and windows, and many other products. Wood is also used in other industries such as construction, shipbuilding, papermaking, and many other applications. Additionally, wood is used in the production of building materials such as partitions, ceilings, and multi-layer boards to create load-bearing structures in construction projects. Furthermore, wood is also used in the production of products such as picture frames, bookshelves, and other decorative items. With its diverse, flexible, and high aesthetic properties, wood has become an indispensable material in manufacturing and interior decoration projects. In large wood production factories, the team of workers plays an important role in the production process. They are hardworking and professional individuals with the experience and necessary skills to ensure that wood processing is done safely and efficiently. This team of workers is often trained and instructed on how to safely handle large pieces of wood. They must have knowledge of different types of wood, how to process wood safely and effectively, and how to use appropriate tools and machinery to process wood. With the professionalism and skills of the workforce, wood production factories can produce high-quality wood products that meet the needs of customers in the market. Along with the support of equipment and machinery, it has somewhat reduced the use of physical labor for the workers. At the same time, it avoids fatigue for workers and increases work efficiency. Clearly, the process of processing large, massive pieces of wood is a highly technical job, along with a system of high-capacity machinery. The harvested wood after a period of cutting and processing has produced smooth and beautiful wooden bars, creating high aesthetic value products and bringing great economic value. However, it also requires reasonable exploitation of wood resources under the management of local authorities to meet production needs and protect forest resources. Isn't that interesting? Wood is a rare and valuable material, and each product made from it carries certain human values. In addition to providing beauty to users, they are also environmentally friendly. Let's always know how to use them effectively. That's the end of our video. See you in the next ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!